extra, right? Hi guys, I'm back. It's your girl Marsha D, coming back with another unboxing, but I just kind of wanted to show you this. This is a Zara, I guess it's a dress, but this is not a Zara haul, y'all, but I just wanted to show you what I got. This here, it's a dress actually, but I've not been wearing it as a dress. I've been wearing it as a loungewear. Look at this, guys. So what I would do is just throw it on with my stuff, and I'll just lounge around the house, as you can see. But I just want, and it's actually, it's long, like right to, if you can see at my ankles. Yeah, it's right about my ankles. See? I think you can see it, right? That's where it is. And I've been wearing this and I love it. It's so beautiful. I don't even know if Zara still carries this, but I just wanted to show that this is so comfortable, guys. It's so pretty. This is like my lounge wear. And I'll usually just throw it on if I have on just something little and round, and you know, just kind of do that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this. So today, guys, I'm here with another stuff, unboxing stuff, and I just want to show you some things. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down so y'all can see these things. All right, so first and foremost, this is a piece. This is something that I got. Like I said before, all these things I will link below, and I will show you, I'll put all the links below where I got these items, okay? So the first thing that I got, I don't know if you guys will, let me show you first and foremost. These are the canvas, the Gucci canvas slides. And this is the color beige. As you can see, this is what it looks like. I've not worn this as yet, but here it is. All right. This is the logo, the jacquard logo, and the color is beige. This platform size is perfect. This actually captures the look of the 90s style. It's woven with the maxi GGs. As you can see, the large GG logo. And it's set on like a molded footbed. So meaning you put your foot right here and your feet just sits right into it like that, like, you know, and it sits down. This is, if you actually do get this slide, if you have thin feet like myself and small, I would size down, because that's what I had to do. I had to get a smaller size because they do run big. And I have thin feet, but if you have wide feet, this will fit you perfect. You know, you have a lot of spacing in it. So, but like I said, if you are thin feet and small like myself, size down, all right? But this is what it is, guys. So let me show you how the packaging came. So it came, like, first it came, this is the bag, which is actually a very good quality bag, you know, as you can see. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is the bag it came in, but this is actually the box. Here's the box. It was neat, very neat, like this. There was no damage to the box. It was packaged well, as you can see. So this seller actually did a good job of packaging. So this is the box. So this is it. Here they are. Both these. This is what it looks like. Okay. Like I said, if you are thin feet, size down, and small, size down on them. All right, so that's that for that. Next thing that I have is this horse bit Gucci bag. Here it is. This is I think this is called the 1955 horse bit Supreme top handle bag. It's so tiny, guys. It's very cute and dainty if you're going out and you just don't want to carry your big bag. You actually just loop it in your arm. You put your little things in it. It has a shoulder length strap, as you can see, which this is it right here. This is the strap. It's actually detachable. So if you don't want to carry the strap and you just want to just tote it as your little, you know, little purse on your arm, this is what it does. You can remove it. It's detachable, and you actually just carry it like this. Here it is. It has, like I said, it's a double strap. It also has the zipper, 2 zippers on each end on top. Yeah. And if you do notice, they do sport the logo on it. I don't know if you can see it says Gucci right here. And yeah, right there. So it does have the logo on it as well. Has the feet at the bottom of the bag, so it will protect your bag if you sit it down. Okay, and I'll show you the inside real quick. This is what the inside looks like. It's pretty a good size in there. You see, here's the main compartment right here, and if you see right here, it does say the Gucci logo right there. A little pocket right here at the side. Let me turn around. There's a little pocket right here. This is the inner part, and this side has another zippered pocket right here as well. So you have a few little things you can actually put it in there. And this is the back. Side view. Zipper. And like I said, this bag is so cute. I've had this bag for about not a full year, but almost a year. So I will link the seller in my link tree again. All right, so guys, just wanted to stop by real quick again, show you what I got and the goodies. Yeah, also please don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, keep following me, and hit the notification bell as well. That way you'll be notified as soon as I upload a video. All right, guys? Again, I just want to say thank you. Oh, before I go, let me show you something real quick. Excuse me. This is my agenda that I've had for almost 2 years. This canvas. And look at this. This, guys. I write everything in my notes. I don't know if you can see. Let me sit back. Okay, here. This is how the inside is. Here. This is the inside. Let me just take my little junk out and show you. This is the inside. Here you have, I kind of dress it up with my little stuff. Here's my notes. I bought this, this part of it I actually bought at TJ Maxx. It's a blank notebook, so I actually put it in the sleeve of where it is right here. I put it in the sleeve, and I write all my notes. If you notice, everything I would write in here, everything. The notes that I have about everything that I get or do, and I want information, I have it right here. Here's also a calendar. This is a calendar that I put in where you actually, this is what it looks like. I did get this also at TJ Maxx. And you fill in your information on this, whatever you want, your notes, your day-to-day activities. You know, I kind of snazz it up a little bit, dress it up. But I'm basically showing you the this agenda this is what it is. And this, I've had this, as I mentioned, for almost, almost 2 years. And it's still going, guys. I will also look to see if this vendor is still available, and just get it. If you guys, you know, have a hectic day and you tend to want to write notes down and just still be cute about what you do, have your little notebook that you carry with you. I carry this with me every day. I snazz it up with some little, you know, trinkets here, and as you can see, my little paper clip dividers and stuff. But this is what it looks like. Again, this is my calendar, and I've had this, as I mentioned. If you see some videos I've done on it before, I've had this for over a year, and it's still going strong, guys. It's very strong. It's very sturdy. It's a good purchase, and it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. So I will link the vendor below if it's still available. If not, I will link another vendor, because a friend of mine actually did buy one recently. So I will link that vendor below as well. Okay, again, I just want to say thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video. I love you guys to the moon and back. And again, thank you for everything. Thanks for stopping by my channel, and always don't forget to like, subscribe, and like my channel. Thank you guys. Peace.